Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I have done something in between episodes. I have done something to Shannon's world, and for that I have to fix it. And that is, you will not believe, I have done this whole thing. I have put full 100 TNTs or 50 TNTs I have put, and I have to fix all of this. Yep, and here now where Shannon is sleeping. Ugly bed. Eh, get out from this. This is not your world. Run, shoo shoo. Okay, so my first target is to clear this mess around. But I don't know how I can do this. For that, I need some brains for thinking. Okay, so I got an idea. I'm going to make over here an entrance gate from the top, from anywhere we are going to use for that. I think we need which one we need, I forgot. I think we need these stones or cobblestones. No, cobblestones will not work. I don't know guys which one to choose, but I'm using smooth stones. So we have to start getting in work. So we'll start this in here. So basically this will be two project work. For that I need your help, so please subscribe, like, to so here will be the entrance. I have decided, and then I got the raiders in me. Okay, so this is better. So basically I'm going to cover this whole area bunch, and this will be his house. As you know, there's a chest over there. I'm sure where. Over there. And I just blew up because I wanted to blow up his house. So guys, please don't say this to Shannon. Okay? And I'm going to refix it. But Shannon knows though. He knows that I blew up his house, but he don't know how did I blow up his house. This will take some while for it. Wash. Come on. I'm over here protecting this with smooth stone so that, oh my goodness, so much of area is there left. More. Oh, come on. See how much I have done, and I have to fix the whole thing. Okay, let's try. We are going to do in a good manner way. We are going to do everything assembled. But I'm not going to fix these all. I'm not going to do these all settings. These are perfect settings. I know I have in my mind some idea, plan. I'm genius, as you know. Oh, come on. And I am a little bit sick. So I'm doing this with all my power. And guys, please sure to subscribe this channel. Oh, come on.